Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming. I would like to go through this minuet with you. First I'm going to go through in tempo so you know what it sounds like. And then I'm going to go through it once slowly with some suggestions as we go along. Because there are quite a few special techniques here that are new for those students. So here we go from the beginning in this faster tempo. 1, 2, 3. There are a few important things to think of while you start this piece. It begins with a third finger and follows with many third fingers. So I once again stress, as many other videos I have done, that making sure that your third finger is always in its position or just above it. When you are not using your third finger, make sure it doesn't go in this position. It always should be hovering over what the note is, the third and the fourth finger. So have your hand constantly in this shape, in this frame. Alright, so this is how we start. Try your best to stay the third finger where it's supposed to be. Don't go. See that it's left. And then back up. And that will create a lot of unevenness in sound and most likely will not be in tune. So that's first thing. Second thing is with your bow. When you play, I'm going to play the first section. I'm going to explain that there are many string crossings. You are going from one string to another and you have to make it very clean. And I would suggest that your third finger or other fingers, your left hand, go there slightly ahead of the bow. And the bow also need to think that you have to go there. You're anticipating it with your mind. That way, when you get to the new string, will be very clean and will be very in time. So the angles. The angle is a little bit more abrupt when you practice slowly. And when you speed up, it will not seem that abrupt. And then having that adjustment from one string to another, and you will practice the angle. And when you speed up, it will be very clean. And in the middle section, the G minor section that has 2 flats, 4th finger starts in the B flat. And when you play 1st finger, it also becomes B flat. 4th finger is a B flat, comes down. 1st finger brings down to a B flat, because that's our 1st flat. Make sure when your 1st finger comes down, your 3rd finger doesn't come down with it, should stay. In other words, the distance between B flat to a D on A string, this distance has become wider. And that is supposed to be. Just make sure your 1st finger, when you go down a little bit, your 3rd finger doesn't come down as well. Then your 3rd finger will be out of tune. And I'm going to go through the first line. You get to hear a little bit what I mean. I'll exaggerate it when it comes to that spot. Those 2 intervals are very wide whole tones. B flat, C natural, D. All right, your 3rd finger, don't get a little bit too flat going this way, and then stay up nice and high. I hope those couple suggestions helped you when you practice. Yes, always trying to play very in tune and watch the 3rd finger. See you next time. Bye bye.